Bringing business ideas to life involves several key steps. Idea generation. Brainstorm and identify problems that need solutions or areas with potential for improvement. Explore your interests, skills, and experiences for inspiration. Market research. Analyze the market to understand demand, competition, and potential customers. Validate your idea by seeking feedback from potential users or customers. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your idea, target audience, revenue model, and marketing strategy. Include financial projections, costs, and funding requirements. Prototype or MVP. Create a prototype or minimum viable product, MVP, to showcase the core functionality of your idea. This allows you to test and gather more feedback for improvement. Legal considerations. Check for legal requirements, trademarks, and patents relevant to your business. Register your business and ensure compliance with local regulations. Build a team. Assemble a team with diverse skills to support your venture. Collaborate with individuals who share your vision and bring unique perspectives. Funding. Explore funding options such as personal savings, loans, investors, or crowdfunding. Be prepared to present your business plan to potential investors. Develop the product service. Refine and develop your product or service based on feedback. Prioritize features based on their impact on the user and your business goals. Marketing and branding. Create a strong brand identity and develop a marketing strategy. Utilize digital and traditional marketing channels to reach your target audience. Launch. Launch your product or service with a well-executed marketing campaign. Monitor performance and gather user feedback for continuous improvement. Adapt and scale. Be adaptable to market changes and customer feedback. Scale your business gradually, considering growth opportunities and challenges. Customer support. Provide excellent customer support to build trust and loyalty. Use feedback to enhance your products or services over time. Remember, the journey of bringing a business idea to life requires persistence, adaptability, and a continuous commitment to improvement.